Alright, it's about to be a quick video. Shit, I probably look rough. I'm about to go to the car wash, so shit, let me go and put this in here. Drop these keys in here. Gotta bring the water bottle, you see. Got the plug. Shout out to sponsors, plugs, custom water bottle real quick right there. Yeah, so I'm about to get ready to go to the car wash. You see my car is like extra dirty. You see I de-bashed it. I'm about to put something on there today. Fucking bird shit, goddamn. Dirty tires, all that shit. But yeah, I only got my car outside just because I was going earlier this morning. So like I just left it out here and only park in the garage. But since it's dirty and I'm about to leave soon anyway, I just left it in the fucking driveway. Every time I park in the driveway, I take up both fucking spots. Somebody come to my house, they already know. Park your ass on the street. Ain't nobody parking in my parking lot. I mean, my damn driveway. Anyway, so if you ain't seen my car wash video, definitely go peep that. Show you everything I use. But every time I wash my car, I grab fucking shoes right here. Shoes I wash my car in. Yeah, these some retro 4s. These not the new ones. These the old joints. You see, I'm washing my car in retros and shit. Boss shit. Well, nothing about it. Grab this bag real quick. See, I got this all pre-organized pretty much. You see what I'm saying? Got all my car cleaning shit right here. Got you know, it's my son batteries and shit for his cars. These are car parts, old ones, factory ones and shit. So I just put all my cleaning stuff in this bag right here. Load it up in my car. And so I'll go ahead and do that, and then I get back with y'all once I get there. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and head up to this graphic shop. So y'all see inside of my car, it's like fully blank. I was gonna go full wrap, but I'm about to just put some decals on the side of the car, all on this side, all on the other side. Today though, I'm just going to add something on the back and finish up what we was working on putting on the side. The place I'm going to is the same place that did this decal for me, as well as this front one right here. And if you know, like, this is the Discovery Gray. A lot of people got this color. This is factory color. And that's why I was going to go full wrap on the car. I was going to go full wrap just because I wanted to be different, have a whole different look on my car. But the price of a full wrap, I could use that money to put the stuff I want on the side, plus more like rims, tires, and like other stuff, and still spend the same amount I would have spent on a full wrap. Because my full wrap was going to be a custom wrap, not one that's already pre-printed, something that's like I came up with on my own. But like I said, for the price that I was spending on a full wrap, I have to get decals on the side, plus like pay for wheels, tires, and other performance parts. Because if you go through my channel, I got some performance parts and I still want some more stuff, just because I don't want to have a like factory Scat 485 horsepower. I want to have more, like at least 5 something to the wheel, plus, you know, still doing cosmetic upgrade. So I'm about to head there right now because, like I said, I de-bashed the car. I want to put something on the back. See, I got the car cleaned up. and we're gonna finish working on the design that I'm putting on the side right here. And I'm thinking about wrapping the hood matte black. I'm still thinking, but I don't know for sure. I see it once I get done adding all the stuff on the side. I think about wrapping the hood. You see the AFE intake right there. Got an install and unboxing video on that. About to go ahead and head to the shop, get this stuff done. Boy, bad charger, boy. 22s, carbon fiber lips, boy. Instagram, carbon fiber hood. Yes, sir. Boy, you got that green wrap, boy. Detailed. No sloppy shit. Wicker build. 10 out. Fat as those tips, boy. Diffuser.
And then the cover.
Yeah.
Who took my ticket? I don't know. Who took my ticket? I don't know. Wait, is it going to be 1 or 2?
Add a joint right here real quick.
No, that one.
All right, so it's the next morning. If you watched the last part of the video, you seen that I showed what the decal looked like, but it was dark, so I didn't get to really show too much. You know, it's morning time, my son's school, still got pajamas on and shit. So I'm gonna show you what it looked like in the daytime. Here you go. You see it says Scatpack Moan with the logo right there. I went with matte black because I didn't want to put, like, you know, no color here and it just stick out so much, but you just see it whether it's daytime or nighttime, you know, because it's matte black on top of a gloss black, so it sticks out. And basically this came out how I really wanted it, because I debadged it because I just got tired of the little chrome in the back, and I wanted to put something else right here, something custom, you know, because everybody got a challenge. No matter what trim you got, it's going to say Dodge in the back, you know. So a lot of people, they debadge it, put a badge here or put some type of words here or whatnot, you know. So you see I got my car club Instagram right there. This is my Instagram name for my car and my YouTube channel. And if you're not already, make sure you follow. You see, so even if you go right now, I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, go to the story. Let me just keep going. Keep going. Everything that's in like this video you seen, it's a little parts of that on this Instagram right here. You know, it all comes here first. All this. And you see. So you seen it there first. And you see what I post, man. All fire shit. Shouts to my boy Hemi Mar. You see what you saying, man. Hold up, look at those numbers. 700. All this, just all fire shit. So make sure you following my car Instagram. I went there so we could actually finish up my whole decal setup I'm doing for the side. So definitely make sure you follow the Instagram, because once I get that done, it's gonna come on Instagram first before I do the video, because I'm gonna have to edit the video up and all that stuff. It's gonna be on Instagram first. So if you're not following the Instagram, make sure you do that, and we out.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I actually said. I had to sit back down and rearrange finish that list, nigga. Nah, and now I'm out here